Hi friends, today being the new moon, and we all know that new moon is a day for attracting abundance in your life. Who does not want wealth and abundance? When we talk about abundance, it can be love, spirituality, money, gold, knowledge, or anything else. So today I am going to share a meditation, few affirmation and some intention of attracting abundance in your life. In order to attract the abundance, you need to take your own checkbook, create a check with your own name. You have to leave the date column blank. In amount, both the places you have to write paid in full and sign. Along with the signature, you can write down law of attraction or law of abundance. The switch word for this month is add count, ADD count. You can ask me for the personalized symbol of attraction. Let's begin with the prayer for Goddess Fortuna. Goddess of gold fortune, fill me with your golden light of pure joy, delight, and bless me with victory and fortune in all aspects of my life. Thank you, Lady Luck, for filling my life with success and fortune and granting me the gift of abundance to manifest my highest good. For now my supply is unlimited and I continuously receive the divine blessing showering. Another prayer, beautiful Abundantia. I desire to be like you, carefree and filled with faith that all my needs are always met with ease and grace. Help me replace all money worries with joy and gratitude. Help me open my arms so that heaven can easily pour its abundance on me. Thank you for all your guidance, gifts, and protection. I am truly grateful and I am abundantly joyful and fulfilled. I let go and relax in the sure knowledge that I am completely taken care of immediately and in the future. Amen. Now comes few affirmation to attract abundance. I am open to receive way beyond anything I could imagine. Father, Mother, God, you want me to shine brilliantly in the world? You want me to share the gifts you have given me? Yes, I accept this invitation. I am open to receive the perfect opportunities, job, partnership, collaboration that you have for me. I am a magnet for my highest calling. God, the source, supports me in first-class luxury with everything needed to give my service to life. I receive joyfully. I am filled with abundance, guidance, love. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. We end this with personalized affirmation which would help you attract abundance. God is my infinite supply and large sums of money come to me quickly and easily under the grace of God for the highest good of all concerned. As I am happily and easily earning, saving and investing, you can fill up the amount you wish. I am radically increasing my income. I am radically increasing my income. I am so blissful and joyful that I am now enjoying great holidays seeing God's creation. I am so happy and proud to see my bank balance. I am so happy and proud to see my bank balance. I am capable of vibrating at my highest, most uplifting frequency. Today, I want to live as the most awakened, loving human being I can be. I want to stay awake and be more awake at the end of the day that I was when the day began. I hope you will do this meditation for the next 21 days, just holding your check in your hand or probably placing your check on your heart and listening to this simple prayer. May the abundance flow into your life with ease and grace. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Till we meet again, light and fragrance to all of you.